this happens to be our ninth association with Aamir actually, we were just counting the other day, as producers, co-producers, distributors in some capacity or the other. So it's nothing new for us to want to be associated with Aamir in some capacity. I think when a member of our creative team, actually Divya Rao, who's sort of unfortunately not here today, the idea really came from her. She, read about this story and she thought it would make a great film. And when she came to us with it, it sounded like something that was so inspirational, such a wonderful story that really had to be told. And we had the good sense to go to someone like Nitesh and tell him about the story. And he also fell in love with it. And from that point on, the journey started. And he wrote a beautiful script. As he said just now, the only person we had in mind to go to was Aamir. And it all fell into place really, really well. So really happy that it happened.
Aamir, hi, this is Faridun from Bornagama Center. Hi. The poster is looking amazing. My question to you is that you've already always stood for women's rights and the girl child and a lot of other things as well. When you look at the poster, somehow we see all the four girls. Somehow, in a way, they have that boyish look somewhere. Don't you feel that even if a girl has to portray like a tough role, it can retain the femininity as well?
Yeah, of course, you're absolutely right, and I don't believe that a girl or a woman has to go easy or reduce her femininity and be more like a male to be strong. I don't believe that at all. And nor does the film believe that. The only reason that their hair is short is because it's from a practical point of view of wrestling. So when you see the film, you'll understand.
And are you doing Rakesh Sharma's biopic? There are reports that you're doing Rakesh Sharma's biopic. And
I have not signed any film yet.
Are you planning it?
I've just begun to read scripts and explore the possibilities. I have not signed anything.
But is Rakesh Sharma something that you're exploring?
Until I sign a film, I can't tell you because it's not fair. It's not fair, I'll tell you why. Because there are a lot of people approaching me. And they're approaching me with confidence that I will not let them down. So when someone narrates a script to me, I don't tell anyone कि भाई so and so director ने script लेके मेरे पास आया. क्योंकि अगर मैंने नहीं की, तो फिर वो reflect करता है कि यार आमिर ने वो film क्यों नहीं की, reject की, नहीं बन रही है वो film, क्या उसकी script ठीक नहीं थी, क्या नहीं था. I don't want that. It's not fair. When someone comes to me, he comes to me in faith, and I like to uphold that faith. So whichever script I hear, you will never come to know कि मैं किसकी सुन रहा हूँ, किसकी नहीं सुन रहा हूँ. So I will neither deny nor admit to your question.
Thank you.
Aamir, over here.
Tiwari, this question is for you.
Can I ask?
Because
The question is for Aamir. Okay.
We'll come to you.
Okay, of course, Aamir has partially replied to that. Is it true that there are no songs in Dangal and you only have a promotional music video with Aamir and his 4 daughters?
No, that's incorrect. We have quite a few songs in there.
We have 6 songs,
At least
and it might
six.
become 7.
Yeah.
Why
Aamir,
7?
Well, that's the number of situations that we possibly have. So right now we already have 6 in the film. So it has 6 songs, yes.
Aamir, the
Hi,
question is
Aamir.
regarding your weight in the movie. How do you gain the weight and how do you reduce the weight? कैसे आप
Gaining is easy. वजन बढ़ाना बहुत आसान है. आप खाइए, पीजिए, वो सारी चीजें जो हमको बोला जाता है मत खाओ, जलेबी, स्वीट्स, मिठाइयाँ, डीप फ्राइड, वेफर्स, समोसे, पराठा वड़ा, जितनी चीजें इसमें तेल ज्यादा हो, तो वो सारी चीजें हैं जो बहुत ही टेस्टी होती हैं, जो हम खा नहीं पाते हैं. तो वो मुझे पूरी छूट मिली थी. 6-8 महीना मैं दबा के खा रहा था और इतना मैंने एंजॉय किया, मैं क्या बताऊं, बहुत एंजॉय किया. मतलब जहां पे जाऊं लोग बोल रहे हैं अरे यार मैं ये नहीं खा सकता. अरे खाओ यार, कुछ नहीं करके मैं ले लेता था. तो केक खा रहा हूँ, ये खा रहा हूँ. तो लाइफ में इतना मैं फ्री कभी मैंने फील नहीं किया. नहीं तो हमेशा डाइट पे रहते हैं, ये करते हो. तो आई रियली एंजॉयड दैट एंटायर प्रोसेस ऑफ पुटिंग ऑन वेट एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट एंड स्टेइंग फैट. आई हैव टू स्टे फैट थ्रू द शूटिंग ऑफ द फिल्म. और फिर वो वक्त आया जब मुझे कम करना था, तो ऐसी बैंड बजी है मेरी. उफ, इट वाज रियली डिफिकल्ट. But I had a great team with me, I have to tell you. I want to acknowledge my team over here. एक तो मेरे जो न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट हैं, उनका नाम है डॉक्टर निखिल धुरंधर. वो अमेरिका में रहते हैं और यहाँ पर सेंटा क्रूज में डॉक्टर धुरंधर का नाम आपने शायद सुना होगा, सीनियर डॉक्टर धुरंधर, उनके बेटे हैं. और उन्होंने, क्योंकि मैं सीनियर डॉक्टर धुरंधर के साथ कई सालों से था एज ए न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट, एज अ पर्सन हु यूज्ड टू कंसल्ट हिम. उनकी तबीयत कुछ बिगड़ गई तो लकीली आई मेट निखिल. He was in India that time, and he said, "I'll take over from where Dad has left." तो उससे मुझे ताकत मिली, क्योंकि you need a nutritionist who knows about food properly. उस knowledge के साथ मुझे पूरा faith था कि यहाँ मैं wrong नहीं जा रहा हूँ, whatever he tells me will be the correct thing. So, and I involved him in the before we started the shooting. Even in the weight gain and in the weight sustenance, he was still part of that, creating the diet for me. And then the weight loss began from the 10th of January, I think 10th January से मेरा weight loss शुरू हुआ. So he was very critical in this whole process. The other two people who were critical were my trainers. एक मेरे trainer हैं, उनका नाम है राकेश, और राकेश मेरे साथ थे शुरू में जब हमने शुरू किया ट्रेनिंग. और ट्रेनिंग में देखिए ये भी इंपॉर्टेंट है, मैं मोटा हूँ लेकिन मेरी ट्रेनिंग फिर भी जा रही है. आपको वो मसल्स दिखेंगे नहीं क्योंकि चर्बी इतनी ज्यादा है उसके ऊपर कि मसल्स का शेप आपको नजर नहीं आएगा. लेकिन वो जरूरी है क्योंकि जब मैं मसल लाना चाहूंगा तो फिर अगर मैंने कंटिन्यूस ट्रेनिंग नहीं की है तो देन टू बिल्ड मसल टेक्स मच लॉन्गर. So it is important I train right through this process. Even when I'm fat, I'm training, and it is very difficult to train when you're fat. 97 kilos and you're doing squats and you're doing bench press and you're doing, it's very difficult. खैर, तो मैंने वो राकेश was with me, and then Rakesh is actually Salman's trainer. वो regularly सलमान की ट्रेनिंग करता है. तो उसने मुझे एक दिन कहा कि भाई बुला रहे हैं, सुल्तान की शूटिंग शुरू हो रही है. तो मैंने कहा जाओ भाई, तुम भाई के पास जाओ. तो वो भाई के पास गए और he trained Salman, and उनकी जगह पे राहुल भट्ट came to train me. भट्ट साहब के जो बेटे. तो राहुल भट्ट trained me for 3-4 months just shooting के दौरान. And then once Sultan की shooting complete हो गई, then Rakesh came back. So last 3 months again Rakesh has trained me. So between Rakesh and Rahul, they both really managed my schedule really well. They really pushed me to the extreme. Both are very good trainers. Both are excellent, very knowledgeable trainers. So with Dr. Nikhil Dhurandhar, Rahul Bhatt and Rakesh, I had 3 people who were a strong team to help me through this very difficult phase of changing the shape of your body. In fact, there's another thing I need to thank Salman for here, is the title, Dangal. I don't know if you know that, क्योंकि Dangal title script में तो लिखा हुआ था आपने, लेकिन जब हमने पता किया तो वो script का जो rights थे वो पुनीत जी के पास थे, पुनीत के साथ. So I knew that Salman is very close to Puneet, and I called up Salman one day and said कि यार मुझे Dangal title चाहिए यार, can you request, can you arrange a meeting between Puneet and me? So actually Salman called up Puneet and said यार उनको title चाहिए. जबकि वो सुल्तान बना रहा है, लोग बोलते हैं कि हम लोग एक दूसरे से झगड़ा कर रहे हैं, वो सेम रेसलिंग फिल्म है, लेकिन ऐसा कुछ नहीं है क्योंकि सलमान ने एक्चुअली हमको हेल्प किया. दंगल का टाइटल मिलने में सलमान को बड़ा हाथ है. एंड ही called up Puneet, and then Puneet and I met, and Puneet was very sweet. He said कि यार मैं यूज नहीं कर रहा हूँ तो आप लोग इस्तेमाल करो. So he gave us the title, and that's how we got the title actually, Dangal.
Hi Siddharth, Siddharth over here. PK released on 19th of December, which was a week before Christmas. So is there a particular reason why Dangal is releasing in the Christmas weekend, and how do you see that Christmas falls on a Sunday this time? So how do you see that? Will that affect the business in any way?
That period is an excellent period for releasing movies, as we've seen over the last so many years, and so many of Amir's films have released at that time as well. We felt 23rd was the right date because it was on the eve of Christmas. You're actually being able to reach out to audiences who are in a mood to actually go and visit the theatres. You've got your holidays going on at that time, so December 23rd seemed like just the right date to release it.
Hi, this is Simrata from Filmikari, towards your left. I have 2 questions for you.
Yeah.
The film is about the father and his 4 daughters and how he trains his 2 daughters to be wrestling champions. So how was it working with the 4 girls? This is my first question.
Oh, that was outstanding. I really love working with it. जब आप फिल्म देखेंगे तो बहुत सारी चीजें देख के आप लोग चौंक जाएंगे, हैरान हो जाएंगे. जो 4 लड़कियों ने काम किया है, unbelievable, absolutely unbelievable. मतलब ये अपनी पहली फिल्म कर रही है. मैं कुछ 40 फिल्में कर चुका हूँ, मैं पिछले 25-27 साल से काम कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन जिस एफर्टलेस तरीके से वो शॉट देती थी, मैं देख के हैरान हो जाता था कि ये पहली फिल्म कर रही है अपनी. So I'm so proud of them. And the young kids of today are so focused, so hardworking. All 4 of them are really hardworking. And this was a very difficult film for them to do because all of them have to learn wrestling. Wrestling is a very tough sport. आपकी body में injuries होती हैं. So for example, Fatima in the earlier part of her wrestling only she injured her rib. And she had to do the whole 1 year of shooting and the wrestling rehearsals with that broken rib. Because rib का कोई fracture अपना कोई cast mask नहीं होता, which is allowed to heal. So they had to really push their own limits, their physical limits. फिर हरियाणवी की dialect सीखना है. So I think all of them, actually injury तो सभी को हुई, मुझे भी हुई injuries. Fatima, Sania, अपना Sohani and Zaira. But all four of them, you know. Sohani is the little darling because she's the smallest. You all really love her. And Zaira is very, very talented. She's a wonderfully talented young girl. Sania is my favorite, I have to say. My heart goes out to her. She's someone I just emotionally connect probably maximum with Sania. And then there's Fatima, who's done a fantastic job. She's a very talented actor. I mean, all four are very talented, I have to say. All four, there's no difference. And all four have applied themselves completely. I mean, whatever I say is less about them.
Also, the tagline of the film, "हमारी छोरियां छोरों से कम हैं."
हाँ.
It's 2016. Don't you think we just have to live it to the answer कि कम नहीं है? Asking it again and again कि कम है. We're just nullifying the fact कि हाँ कम नहीं है.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होगा. आप फिल्म देखिए. Trust us. Trust us.
Amir, any particular reason you launched this poster 2 days before Sultan? Amir here,
Where?
left.
कहाँ है?
Any particular
हाँ,
reason
हाँ.
to launch the poster 2 days before the release of
Oh
Sultan?
yes, because Sultan is going to be a huge super duper hit here. And all the millions of people who come to see Sultan, I want them to see this poster outside in the theatre के भाई हमारे लिए आ रही है बाद में. So that's the reason. इतनी बड़ी बम्पर हिट होने वाली है, उसकी ओपनिंग कुछ बिजार लगने वाली है. तो जो लाखों लोग आएंगे थिएटर में, तो हम थिएटर में हम कम से कम एक कोने में तो खड़े हो जाए भाई. हम भी हैं. 6 महीने बाद हम भी आ रहे हैं.
And
So we are using the huge potential that Sultan has to propel our film.
And Amir, you just said that one of your trainer left you in between. I believe Rakesh.
Rakesh.
For Bhai.
Yeah.
So did you not feel offended
No.
about it?
I didn't feel it. No, because see, the thing is that I know that Rakesh regularly trains Salman, first of all. He regularly trains Salman. And has been doing it for many years. So I'm actually a new person that Rakesh is training. So I don't feel that. And at the end of the day, that you know, Salman is used to him, Salman trains with him, has been training with him for 10, 15 years, I don't know how many years. तो वो बात मैं समझता हूँ. और मैं अक्सर राकेश को बोलता हूँ, कभी-कभी हमारा टाइमिंग क्लैश होगा, उसकी शूटिंग है, मेरी शूटिंग है, तो आप सलमान को प्रेफरेंस दो, मैं मैनेज कर दूँगा. That's my understanding with Rakesh also from the very beginning.
And during a recent interview, Salman said that for 20